Hello sir, how are you? First of all, I would like to say sir, I love you a lot. I'm the one who has learned lots and lots of things from you, and I would like to describe few things, what I have learned from you exactly. I have attended your first session, and I'm very thankful to Anusha that she has given me an opportunity to attend your session. And from there, what I learned is having a positive attitude. So basically, when I used to go and write an exam, I used to think that whether I'll be passing in this exam or not. So I basically do bad and I get a negative result for that. So when I attended your session, you have said the same thing. You said that when you go for an exam, why do you have a second thought in your mind whether you will be passing it or not? So have a positive attitude and go and write the exam. Then you will be definitely the one who is a winner. So I did the same thing. When I attended your session, the very next time when I attended an exam, I never thought that whether I'll be passing this exam or I'll be failing. But what I thought is I am going to give my best, and I did. And I'm very thankful to you for that. And second part is coming to you, learning from you is a kind of beautiful experience. It's totally out of world. Coming to school part and college part, there is something which we never learned anything else than education, and totally electrical mind and mathematics mind, all this mentality. But coming to your sessions, we have learned many things which is totally like what is happening outside. You can learn about people, you can learn about Puranas, Vedics, and all these things were very new to me. Your words have inspired me to pray God. I mean, like, I basically pray God for my sake. But later on, the shlokas and Puranas which you have shared with us, those were like praying God and getting peace in mind. Right after your sessions, I prayed God, thinking that God is there. He is inside me. I have felt God inside me. Believe me, this is the truth. And I would like to say that whenever you scold us, whenever you teach us anything, I never take it intentionally, but whatever you do, it's totally perfect thing for us. People say that whenever an elder person scolds you, it's just because he or she loves you a lot, and I have really realized it. And I would say that in your teachings, your way of learning, and your way of encouraging people to do anything is something which is really good. I was totally weak while communicating with people. I was totally weak while speaking out my words, putting out my words in front of someone. But right now I would like to say that just because of your help, I'm a project engineer now, and I communicate with people. I go and attend meetings. All alone I deal with board of directors of other companies, and everything is going good with me. And I would like to say that you have mentioned one point: before answering anything, asking is something which is a very good point of view. So I have learned how to ask questions. It's not like I create questions. When I listen to something, the question itself takes a birth in my mind, and which I put on. I am really thankful to you, sir, and I hope that each and every child should get a teacher like you, get a better guidance like you. Thanks a lot.